I really enjoy playing music and playing jazz, and I just wanted to gain some new experiences.
I've learnt so much. I've met so many new people, and it's so good. I've learnt so many new skills as well from like the instrumental sessions, like just with the trumpet stuff, and then like in the jam sessions, just doing whatever and having fun and playing with other people, just getting in the groove.
I'm classically trained, so this course for me is really helpful for me to start getting into different genres like jazz, which I've had a perfect time. I have met new people, I love made new friends here. It's literally so warm and so welcoming.
I think with jazz, I think I'll always go back to it as something that I can like just do as like my passion, and I think I'll definitely use everything I have now as something to support me through like my music like in the future.
1, 2, 2, 2.